Hey again, I'm Caitlin with Fragrance University. We just took a look at the ever-growing market for the industrial and commercial cleaning industry. Now we'll be going into the individual components within these products that you'll need to know about. Whether you'll be manufacturing your own goods or consulting with a chemist, an understanding of these components will help you more effectively market your line of products. Let's start by examining the IFRA limits and recommended usage levels of fragrance. Most industrial and household cleaners are classified as IFRA Category 10, whereas others fall into different categories depending on how they're used. The majority of these cleaners are not intended to come in contact with our skin. However, just about anything applied to a surface manually can accidentally end up there anyways. As such, IFRA Category 10 is considered a wash-off application category, meaning any fragrance product in it should be washed off as soon as possible. Other cleaning products do not have any reasonable way to come in contact with skin, such as powdered carpet cleaners that are applied and then vacuumed up instead of wiped away with our hands. As such, carpet powders and encapsulated laundry detergent pods fall into IFRA Category 12 instead. Both of these categories allow for almost unlimited amount of fragrance usage, but this doesn't mean that you should use them at 100%. Oftentimes, fragrance is considered an additive for industrial and household chemical formulations, meaning it's added in small enough quantities that it's not considered a major part of the formula. Usually, fragrance is included in cleaning products at levels of 0.2% to 5% fragrance. This largely depends on the type of cleaning the product is used for. Many household cleaning products include more fragrance in them, so they're easier and more pleasant to use for average consumers. Heavy-duty industrial cleaners may not have as much fragrance in them, simply because the smell of the other chemicals within them are just too strong to mask. Additionally, many of these cleaners are made for use with special safety equipment, so they're not able to be smelled that much anyway. Regardless, adding a fragrance to your product, no matter what the setting they're intended to be used, can really bring it to the next level. There are many scents that are associated with cleanliness, which will improve the user experience in your goods. Before we jump into what the fragrances are, here's one last thing to keep in mind. As we go through this course, you'll learn that many cleaning products are water-based. If you remember our video on surfactants in our Chemical 101 course, you'll know that this means that fragrances also need to be water-based. If you want to work without a surfactant or emulsifier, you can purchase water-based fragrances that will easily incorporate into your products. Just a note, these fragrances can be pricey and are also very limited in comparison to the wide array of oil-based fragrances. You can always make any fragrance oil water-soluble with a surfactant. With that out of the way, come join us in our next video, where we'll teach you what the fragrances are and the best way to associate your products with cleanliness. Thank you for watching Fragrance University. I'm Caitlin, and we'll see you next time. Bye!